Alright guys, so today we're actually here at the farm. Come with us on our adventure where we see the new babies and all the animals.
Oh, it's so cute.
We're gonna have to go through our...
Oh, he's so pretty.
He's looking at you and saying, if you were in here, I'd headbutt you.
Mommy, those faces so... He's so cute. My uncle put my
Look at you
glass.
leaning into the scratches.
Can I put glass in you?
Mommy, this is my favorite animal now.
Here you go.
You got
Go.
one.
Is he eating?
Put my hand right between.
Mommy, look. It'll eat out of my hand. Hold on.
Yo. Hi, Mocha.
Come over here, boy.
This one's like, I don't want scratches. I want food.
Is it soft?
Oh, look at it.
Than I thought it would be. Ew, wait. I know I'm getting you food. Mommy, I love mocha. I love the colors.
Yeah, it's pretty color.
Come on, let's go now.
Bye, mocha.
All right, look over here.
Been here for too long, says the kid who was sitting on his butt patting the goat.
Ew, I can't see
He's got a beautiful tail.
Mommy, save your love for coming here.
I got just the first one that comes over.
Baby cows, come here.
Let's see if he wants any grass. Oh. I like this one. Where's the... Ooh, the white one is...
All the way.
All right, let's go. Yeah, the white one's down here. What did she do?
Oh, look.
They're in the car.
Look, there goes another one, Mama.
Hey, yo, pretty girl. Don't do that. She, like, hits it in your arm.
Wait, what kind of...
Look, there's another pretty booty up there. Oh, that guy's pooping. He's a pooping and scooping. And Xavier's got some nice ponytail.
Whoa, sorry.
I gave you a ponytail.
What?
Don't bother her too much. She's standing in the shade.
You like your hair?
I want to make her go away.
Oh, she likes behind her ears. Can I get her other ear?
Baby.
Oh, I don't know if she likes that ear because it has the holes in
I
it.
don't think she...
Okay, can I pet it? Oh, it was like
So
a
soft.
blanket. What's your name? Val. house.
It's a lot of stuff for one chip.
It's an old lava. Mommy, I really want to watch that. I want to see that one stuff on the mall.
Dee would love to come with us.
Are these like, is that lady?
Yes. And that's her horse.
What? Because it just got
You want to say hi to that one and then we'll go?